Michail Antonio is a professional footballer who plays as a forward for Premier League club West Ham United. Antonio began his career at non-league club Tottenham and Misham United before signing with Reading in the EFL Championship in 2008. While at Reading, he was sent on loan to Cheltenham Town, back to Tooting and Michigan, Southampton and Colchester United. A loan spell with Sheffield Wednesday resulted in a permanent move in 2012. He went on to make 64 appearances and scored 12 goals. Antonio then signed for Nottingham Forest in 2014. He would score 16 goals in 50 appearances. His next club would be West Ham United of the Premier League, who signed him in 2015. Initially, he was deployed in a number of positions, including right back, right midfield, and winger, before eventually establishing himself as the club's main striker. So far, he has played over 177 games, scoring 47 goals in the process. Antonio was called up to 2 senior England squads, but has yet to earn a full international cap for the side. However, he's eligible to represent Jamaica through his ancestry.